When you think commercial egg production, you likely picture the classic white Leghorn chicken, and for good reason. They are the golden standard for production layers. They're not exactly the elite choice for the small family farm, though. Today, I've got 5 reasons as to why you shouldn't keep Leghorns. First, they are flighty. They're not much of a pet and are quick to bolt from you. That's not to say there aren't some outliers, because I have one who is as cool as a cucumber. Secondly, they will get out of almost anything, even with clipped wings. I had to put mine behind a 7 to 8 foot fence. Then later I had to net the top of the run because they were still scaling the fence to get out. Third, they are very smart. A smart bird isn't a bad bird. But when you have a smart escape artist who is wonderful at dodging attempts to be caught, medicated, trimmed, inspected, it's nerve-wracking. Fourth, look no further if you're looking for an aggressive rooster. The Leghorn rooster has a notorious reputation for being aggressive. My Leghorn rooster is the meanest bird in the barnyard. They've got some big spurs on them too. Fifth, they are not broody birds. This could be considered a benefit as well. I have a mixed flock, so it works, but if I wanted broody girls, but wanted a single breed, it wouldn't happen with Leghorns. Now that we've got the cons out of the way, this is what I love about my Leghorns, and why they'll always be a permanent part of my flock. First, they are the most reliable layers in my flock, and they lay some large eggs. This is why they are the foundation of many production crosses. Second, they are one of the most feed-efficient chicken breeds that there are. This means that feed is converted into product, eggs, at a higher percentage than many other breeds, saving you money on feed. The hens themselves are very lightweight and small-framed, and they eat less. Third, I cannot get over the floppy combs. This is my favorite feature of theirs. My Leghorn girls are just too cute. Fourth, they are, again, flighty birds that are quite smart. I've never lost a Leghorn to a predator. Even though I don't free range right now, I have a feeling that they'd be the last birds to be caught by a predator. Also, my Leghorn rooster has a bone to pick with everything from me to the barn cats to the shadows on the ground. He's a force to be reckoned with. Fifth, they will lay through winter once they've molted as first-year hens. All you'll find in my coop during the winter is the large white eggs of our Leghorns. No browns, creams, purples, or aquas. They may not lay as well as they do in the spring, but it's better than absolutely nothing for months on end. As you can see, Leghorns have incredible pros and some serious cons. I wouldn't consider them to be the breed for a beginner, as they may be frustrating in terms of disposition and containment. Thank you for dropping by. Have an incredible day, everyone.